Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination. We are providing solutions to the theory part of the question. And we are at question 6a, and the question says simplify 2 whole number 3 over 4 minus 1 whole number 5 over 6, all divided by 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 1 whole number 5 over 6 divided by 5. Now, let us first deal with the numerator. After that, we now come to the denominator and we now bring the two together. Now, the first thing is to let us convert this to an improper fraction, and that will give us 11 over 4. That is 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8 plus 3. So the same thing with the second one, 6 multiplied by 1 plus 5, that gives us 11 over 6. So let us find the SCM, which is 12, and that gives us 3, that's 33, minus, that's 2, that's 22, and that gives us 11 over 12. This for the numerator. Now let's deal with the denominator as well, and that is the same thing, that's 11 over 4 plus 11 over 6 divided by 5. Now, the first thing, remember, in the law of BODMAS, we deal with the division before the addition. So let us convert this to multiplication. This will become this will become 11 over 4 plus 11 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 5. So we will multiply this together. It will become 11 over 4 plus 11 over 30. So let us find the SCM of this and let us solve. So the SCM of this will be 60. So 4 is 60 multiplied by 11, that gives us 165 plus 30, that's 2, multiplied by 11, that's 22. So this gives us 187 divided by 60. So let us bring the two together. Remember, the numerator gives us 11 over 12, and this gives us 187 divided by 60. So we can convert this division into multiplication. That's 11 divided by 12 multiplied by 60 divided by 187. So 12 goes here 1, 12 goes here 5, 11 goes here 1, 11 goes here 17. So our final answer is 5 divided by 17. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Until I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.